y'all, I'm sorry it's been so long, but I am back and your girl moved into her apartment. If you haven't checked out, I don't know what's gonna be up first, my apartment tour, or I don't know, but yeah, go check out my apartment tour. I'll be showing you guys how I made, yes, I made these beautiful, oh, that's not gonna focus, but you can see it better back here, but these beautiful designer, you know, designer inspired, not expired, it was definitely inspired pictures. This is what you're gonna need. First, I got these prints. Like, you could try to get a picture off of Google, but it's gonna be really, really hard. You can honestly make one too, but I went the easy way out. I found this this lady, this girl, she is so sweet. She is the best customer service on Etsy.com. She has like an Etsy shop, and so like she sells like digital prints. Like it's like $5. So I paid like, she was having a sale also, so it was like $5 a pop, but she was having a 50% off sale, and I will leave the link down below for like where I got all these prints from. Like, she is so bomb with these, and her customer service is top notch, y'all, top notch. So let's definitely go check her out. But yeah, I just bought these prints. It's like a digital print. You buy it online, she sends you the link to download it, and then you just click download. And then what I had did is I went to Wally World. You can honestly go anywhere, CVS, Walgreens, anywhere that prints pictures, and just get it printed. After you download it to your phone, just yeah, get it printed, which is what I did. I got the sizes 20 by 30 because I want them kind of big in the back, as you can see. So yeah, so I got this. I got 4 altogether, so this is the last one that I got, and I decided why not show y'all how I do it. So yeah, so you're gonna need the picture, of course, and a poster board. I had also got this poster board from Walmart. It's about 20 bucks. Y'all, I did not know poster boards was this expensive. Like, I'm thinking I'm gonna pay like $5, $10 at the most, but not 20. First, what I'm gonna do is get this unwrapped. Oh yeah, and you're gonna need some command hooks too. These are the command hooks. I kind of opened them, but see if it's gonna focus. That's the kind of command hooks that you're gonna need to hook them up. So what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna unwrap this. Just wrap it up, wrap it up, wrap it up. And then it has these little things at the back, and I'm just gonna pop them all up so I can put my new poster in. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and take off the back and then take off this picture that it comes with. And then these, I'm gonna get my prints that I had got from Walmart. This cost me about, I think it was about $18 to print this. So together it was about, I'm around at like $25 to print this poster, which is like $25 per poster, like all together with the frame, the poster, everything, which is not really bad because they have them like online, different places for like, I saw some that went up to like 100, and this is like a little cheap little alternative to get a really cute poster. So what I'm gonna do is just put the poster up in here, just like this. And then I'm gonna add the back. Make sure the poster board on the back has these little clip things. Make sure the clip is at the top of the picture, because that's how you're gonna be hanging it. And she's all done. Now look at how bomb that is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hook them up on the wall. I already hooked the first one up, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna hook the rest. I got my command hook, and I'm just gonna this is how the wall turned out. Super, super bomb, y'all. I highly suggest if y'all want cute, cute chic, you know, just wall decor for your place, go ahead and check out her shop. It is so bomb. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.